Co-initiators, a collaborative corporate innovation hub for leading-edge business development. Empirical research. Companies recognize the importance of innovation. With the emergence of digital solutions, companies need to integrate innovation in their processes. Our problem statement is divided in three. Brand. Developing a strong brand is not enough. Competition. Companies question their existing models and businesses, and implement innovation needs a real internal transformation. This is called open innovation. Hypothesis. Innovation is a pillar for all types of companies, not only base companies, and that should diversify their innovation activities and explore the benefits of open innovation and co-creation. We base our research in 5 questions. First, how to foster innovation in a company. Second, what are the ingredients for a successful innovation hub? Third, what state of mind should managers adopt? Fourth, what are the barriers to innovation to avoid? And fifth, what is strategy to put in place to reveal talents? Innovation and company. Innovation is the process to generate, develop, and implement ideas to produce new or improved products, processes, or services. If a company wants to succeed, it should have a partnership with the firm, a startup, entrepreneur, or even an innovation hub. Benefits of co-partnership. First, flexibility. React dynamically to changeable conditions of innovation process execution. Competition. Create new opportunities and exploit existing ones. And learning. Learn how efficiently to create and use knowledge and innovation. An Accenture survey showed that 50% of the companies believe they need to work with entrepreneurs. Our survey showed that 81% of companies invest in innovation programs. However, 46 of these innovation programs are not very successful. How companies perceive innovation. 48% said innovation is a pillar of the company. 31% innovation is the primary focus, and 48% innovation is valued. Important factors of innovation. First, 81% said there is a strong strategic vision. Also, entrepreneurial organizational culture. Important is also capturing ideas from everyone and talent management. Barriers for innovation. 69% said there was a lack of organizational culture. 63% there was weak leadership. 38% lack of talent, and 25% lack of financial resources. Innovation hubs is a community or research center that provides subject matter expertise and creativity. Based on our survey, 50% of the respondents said that they know innovation hubs. However, only 25% collaborate with startups. The highlight of this survey is that 56% of the participants said that collaboration of large companies with the startups are crucial for the future of organizations.
Our innovation hub, Co-initiators, is a program of immersion and integration for a project team with a startup for the aim of co-creation. It allows moving from an idea to a tangible outcome in an entrepreneurial atmosphere. The 3 main pillars of our program are people, by focusing on talent management and organizational culture; control, by building the right pre- and post-evaluation model; and strategy, by having a clear common vision. Our innovation cockpit offers the following. First, a fun entrepreneurial culture that encourages co-creation. Second, a clear and well-communicated common strategy. Third, a guarantee of quality and innovative business outcomes. And last, a comprehensive process and agenda that is easy to follow. And for a successful implementation and evaluation, we identified the following KPIs. First, planning, pace, investment, originality, network, and relevance. So let's move now to the process of our program. Our framework consists of 5 steps. We will go over each step more in detail. The first step is the reboot. It involves preparing the ground for the implementation of the Co-innovation hub, consisting of an entrepreneurial culture mindset workshop and a startup toolbox training. For the entrepreneurial culture workshop, we will tackle the communication style, the integration between the partners and within the company, the risk-taking factor that characterizes startups, and the fostering of the entrepreneurial drive within the company. Then we have a one-day workshop to introduce the two innovation management models that are the basis of our cockpit, which are design thinking and the lean startup model. The second step of the program is the need analysis. It is inspired by the 360 feedback tool. The aim is to do an analysis that is focused on the company first, but also on its environment. Thus, the model we created contains 3 factors to be assessed. The third step is the strategic visioning that consists of reaching a common vision between the 3 collaborators of this program. To do so, we have a process to follow. First is observing the pains and gains surrounding the company. Second is inquiring into the pains and identifying the reasons behind them. Third is analyzing the needs and identifying ways to fulfill them. And last is identifying goals and objectives. The fourth step of the program and the most important one is the bootcamp. The bootcamp is over 3 days. The first day is ideation and it includes introduction, warm-up, inspiration and conception. The second day is for testing and pitching and includes preparation of the ideas. And the third day is deployment and includes project planning and conclusion. Finally, the evaluation phase that will ensure that the program is sustainable and scalable. It starts by assigning a coefficient to the KPIs, then rating them based on the program's performance. Then we calculate the average, and finally we identify the weaknesses and improvement points. So, do you think it's a good idea?